going on, everybody? Back with another plowing video today. Now I'm super excited to give you guys this because this is was one of my first videos that really kind of took off, so I really like putting the time and effort into these. And I don't know how many snowstorms that we're actually going to get by the end of the season, so I'm really looking forward to kind of showing you guys this little snowstorm. We ended up with about 10 centimeters of snow. That being said, if you're not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, go over to our Instagram at KWC2000, follow us on there. Other than that, I'm done talking. Let's get into the video. All right, Thursday morning, storm. Let's get these machines started. All right, skid steer's running. Now we just need to get this backhoe running. All right, cool. Everything's running. Backhoe's warming up. Skid steer's warming up. We got 10 cents on the ground to clean up. It's gonna be an awesome video. Let's have a coffee. Guess I'm a dog dad. Just getting all the snow away from the doors. And basically that is the duty of the skid steer. You know, whoever's running the skid steer generally knows they go in before I come in with the box blade with the backhoe. Because essentially all the skid steer is doing is just windrowing all the snow into one windrow, and then the box blade just comes and scoops it all up. And on a small little storm like this, you know, it's really handy because you can get away with just kind of doing one swipe with it. You're not really chasing windrows with the box blade, and chasing with the box blade isn't fun. But if you guys can see me or not, but just wrapped up with the skid steer. Gonna hop in the backhoe now and go get all the stuff that I kind of pushed up. So let's go do that. We're just kind of cleaning up the rest. We ended up not getting as much as we thought we would, but that's all right. I'm just glad that we got to make another video, to be honest with you. I love making these plowing videos. These plowing videos are literally the most fun thing that I get to do. But yeah, we've been taking on a lot of new subscribers. So to the new subscribers, hi, how's it going? My name's Taylor. Yeah, this is it's a lot of fun doing this YouTube stuff. But I think I'm going to be doing a review video. I know that you guys have been wanting a review of the skid steer. Now, let me know what else. If you guys want a review of the backhoe that I'm in now, then that's cool too. I'd love to do one of them. But it all depends on what you guys want to see. So give me some feedback, and I'll make a couple videos reviewing some of the machines that we have you guys want to see. And that way you get some general knowledge, some feedback to you guys. I know a lot of guys had questions on the cats and how we like them. And, I mean, I can tell you right now, we love the cats. There's a reason that we bought Cat. It wasn't just a price thing. It really came down to what's the most comfortable cab for someone to sit in for an extended period of time. As well as a lot of other things like the functionality of it, the power, the sizes. But yeah, I mean, I have nothing against any other piece of equipment. I think that they're all generally pretty much, they all do the same thing. It just really comes down to what you like. And what I like is generally Cat hits that pretty close to what we kind of like as a company. So that's why we go with Cat. Giving all this free branding to Cat. Cat, you're watching. I want my check. Again, I can't stress enough, subscribe if you want to see some of that action, because there's a lot of equipment action coming up, and I think you guys will really enjoy it. And even if you're not interested in equipment, I try to make it fun for people to watch. And honestly, a lot of the comments are really positive and telling me about, you know, like what I'm doing is different. And honestly, I don't really watch other guys in this autos and vehicles genre. I watch a guy named Daily Driven on Exotics. He has nothing to do with construction or anything. He's in the autos and vehicles genre. I like watching him. I like fancy cars. But other than that, I don't really watch anybody else. Oh, I mean, of course I watch Let's Dig 18. Man, I've been watching him like since I was young. Like, he's a legend, and I'd love to meet him someday. So guys, let's make that happen. Let's go down to North or South Carolina, wherever it is. Let's go down and work with Let's Dig 18 for a day. You probably outwork me. Inside skid steer bucket worked. I mean, I hope you guys are okay. All right, well, I think that's a wrap for today. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in. Hopefully everyone liked the plowing content. Now I'm hoping that we're gonna have some, I think there's a storm next week as well. So I'm really looking forward to that. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna keep producing some equipment stuff. We're gonna be having, burning a lot of brush at the yard on Friday, so I'm going to be making a video about that. So stay tuned for that. But I think that I'm going to be posting this video probably tomorrow on Friday, because I posted yesterday. But just make sure to subscribe, guys. I really appreciate everything. Hit the thumbs up button. Yeah, if you want some behind the scenes stuff, always make sure to head over to our Instagram at KWC2000. I post a lot of stories. I posted on there this morning. So definitely go over there, check out our Instagram. Thanks guys, I appreciate it, and we shall see you on the next one.